This looks like a normal image, but watch what happens when AI turns it into a video. And no, you don't need editing skills for this. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to turn any image into a cinematic video using AI. And the best part is, it's free to start, so you can test it yourself instantly. Now, before I show you the process, imagine this. You take a simple photo from your phone or generate an AI image, and in a few seconds it becomes a moving cinematic scene with camera motion, lighting, and depth, like a movie shot. That's exactly what this tool does. Today I'm using an AI tool called Top Media AI Image-to-Video Generator, and it works directly online, no installation needed. You just upload an image and the AI does the rest. So step 1 is simple. I click Upload Image. You can use any image here, a portrait, landscape, or AI-generated art. But here's something important most people ignore. The quality and composition of your image directly affects how cinematic your final video looks, so choose wisely. I'm going to upload this image now. Now we move to the most important part, the prompt. This is where most people fail or succeed. The prompt controls the motion, camera style, and overall feeling of the video. I'm going to use this cinematic prompt: cinematic camera movement, slow zoom in, dramatic lighting, depth of field, ultra-realistic, smooth motion. This tells the AI exactly how to animate the image like a real film camera. Now I click Generate, and while it processes, let me explain what's actually happening behind the scenes. The AI is analyzing the image, detecting depth, separating foreground and background, and then simulating virtual camera movement like zoom, pan, and motion blur. That's how a flat image becomes a moving 3D-like scene. And now here's the result. Look at this carefully. What started as a simple image is now a full cinematic video with smooth motion, lighting effects, and realistic depth. This looks like something shot with a real camera, but it was completely generated by AI. This is where things get interesting because tools like this are changing how content is created online. You can now turn one image into multiple videos for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or even storytelling content. And remember, it's free to start, so you don't need money or editing skills to begin. Imagine doing this daily, generating images, turning them into videos, and posting consistently. This is exactly how new creators are growing fast right now because they don't rely on expensive equipment anymore, they rely on AI. You could take a single idea, turn it into an image, animate it into a video, and publish it all in minutes. That's the power shift happening right now in content creation. And the crazy part is, this is just the basic version. There are even more advanced prompts and styles you can use to make even more realistic cinematic effects, which I can show in another video if you want. So now you know exactly how to turn any image into a video using AI in just a few steps. If you want more AI tools, tutorials, and ways to grow your channel using AI content, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications because I post videos like this regularly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.